7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at Ethereum Classic, also known as ETC, currently rank number 29 on coin market cap. At the point of recording this video, you can get one Ethereum Classic for $14.63. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $23.34 and as low as $12.60. Ethereum Classic currently has a market capitalization of $1.9 billion. In this video, we're taking a look at the Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart, Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Ethereum Classic market cap chart. Is the dump for Ethereum Classic over? Should we be getting some more Ethereum Classic right now? And if Ethereum Classic pump, how high can it go? And we know that if it's dumping, it's not going to dump straight into goblin time. We're going to have a relief rally at some point in time. And when we have that relief rally, how high can Ethereum Classic pump? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, guys, Ethereum Classic is down 71% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's down 33.9%. Even in the last 1 week, it's down 15.2%. The $1 million question, should we buy more Ethereum Classic right now? Ethereum Classic got to an all-time high of $160 to $180 on some exchanges on the 1st of May 2021, and since then Ethereum Classic has dropped more than 91% from its all-time high. This is the Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart from 2016 till 2022, so we have more than 6 years worth of price history for Ethereum Classic. And let's take a look at what Ethereum Classic did in the previous bear market. And the previous bull run, Ethereum Classic actually topped around this $46 region. And when the market started dumping, Ethereum Classic joined the market to dump. It dumped more than 92% of its value. And the bottom for Ethereum Classic came in on the 6th of December 2018. But what happened before the bottom of Ethereum Classic came in? We had that relief rally from December 2018. It took us to June 2019. And in that period of time, guys, Ethereum Classic pumped around 150% before it finally went to find its bottom and before the COVID sell-off. Now, if Ethereum Classic is going to pump again, where is it going to probably pump to? I will have a relief rally in the market right now because, guys, if history is repeating itself, you can see that Ethereum Classic is down more than 91 to 92% from its all-time high. If we're expecting a relief rally at some point in time, expect that relief rally to get to around that 48 or maybe $30 region. This would be a very, very important region for Ethereum Classic. If Ethereum Classic can get to that region, that will be over 100% pump. I actually think that relief rally is coming for the altcoin market, for Bitcoin included. I won't be surprised to see Ethereum Classic get to that $40 region, and because price has interacted with Ethereum Classic at that $40 region a lot of times. You can see we go to the previous all-time high here in 2018, and we spent a little time at that $40 region. Even when we were pumping into new highs in 2021, we actually took a chill pill right there, and before we dump, that place actually acted as support numerous times, and before we finally broke through. Even when we stayed dumping, we came back to see if we can hold that level. We couldn't hold that level in April 2022. Now we're back to Goblin Town. I'll expect price at some point in time to go back to test that level. That has been an interesting level for Ethereum Classic. Now we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top, and if I think Ethereum Classic is going to dump further low, I can see it maybe dumping to as low as $9. The final phase of the capitulation is always the hardest, so if we see Ethereum Classic dropping around maybe 33%, and just get the last set of people that are not scared, get them to capitulate. I believe that capitulation has not happened. I believe we're in this region in time. We're around November 2018, and when the market was very, very scared, everything looked as if it was going to gobbling down. People are calling for lower valuations for all coins, Ethereum Classic included. And right now, I'm sure a lot of people are saying, oh, Bitcoin is going to 10,000, Bitcoin is going to 14,000. I think Bitcoin will probably not even get to 15,000 before we find the bottom. And the whole move has happened already, from Bitcoin from 69,000 to less than 20,000. Ethereum Classic from as high as $180 to as low as $12. If you're shorting Ethereum Classic right now, you are probably just asking for problem. At some point in time, we're going to get a relief rally. All coins have shown in the past that they don't find their bottom way after Bitcoin finds its bottom. So in 2018, Bitcoin found its bottom in December 2018 here. You can see that Ethereum Classic did not find its bottom till 2019, December, November. So you want to be careful with altcoins right now. If you're actually dollar cost averaging some altcoins, you don't want to go all in. During the bear market, the best crypto you want to hold is Bitcoin, because guys, a lot of these altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin through the bear market. Now let's take a look at Ethereum Classic's performance against Bitcoin. It's done for Ethereum Classic over. When Ethereum Classic was launched, I like showing you guys what these coins have done in the past so that you will know that the trenches that we're in right now is not new to the coin. Ethereum Classic pumps had this wonderful pump in 2016, almost a 700% pump, and then it lost more than 87% of its value against Bitcoin. It had another pump again that took it to new all-time highs. This was the glory days for Ethereum Classic. In 2017, Ethereum Classic got to a new all-time high against Bitcoin. Since it got to that new all-time high against Bitcoin in 2017, it has not been able to get back to that level. It has been constantly losing value against Bitcoin. It lost more than 98% of its value against Bitcoin. The bottom of Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin finally came on the 30th of March 2021, and then Ethereum Classic went on that crazy run in May 2021, but it couldn't set new all-time highs. It pumped more than 1,400% against Bitcoin, but we couldn't see a new all-time high coming for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. Right now, it's dumping again against Bitcoin, but it looks as if it has found support. Ethereum Classic has lost another 77% of its value against Bitcoin. So how low Ethereum Classic go in the bear market? I still think it's going to lose some more value against Bitcoin, but right now I'll expect us to see a relief rally before we go on the final dump, just like what happened in 2018 when the bottom of the market came in. Guess what, guys? Ethereum Classic had a little pump against Bitcoin. You can see on December 2019 here, this was when the market was bottoming. Ethereum Classic had this pump against Bitcoin. Now the pump was very, very tiny on the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. It was just a 37% pump because Bitcoin actually pumped and Ethereum Classic actually pumped. And that's what I'm expecting right here. I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to have a tiny pump against Bitcoin. It might be nothing to write home about, but after that pump, then we'll further see downside for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. I don't think the bottom is in right here for Ethereum Classic. So guys, you want to be careful out there with flipping your Bitcoin for some Ethereum Classic. History has shown that when the market is in easy mode, that's when the market is going up only. Ethereum Classic is the place you want to be. If you have some Bitcoin, you can flip to Ethereum Classic there. But when the market is in hard mode, that means when we're trending downwards, you don't want to be in Ethereum Classic, because history has shown that Ethereum Classic will constantly be losing value against Bitcoin over time. Since the height is set in 2017, it has not come close to setting a new all-time high. Let's take a look at Ethereum Classic against its parents crypto, that's Ethereum. You know, Ethereum Classic is a fork of Ethereum. Ethereum Classic have been constantly losing value against Ethereum since when it was launched. It has just been setting lower highs and lower lows, and the bottom for Ethereum Classic finally came in here around May 2021, where Ethereum Classic went on that crazy ride. It pumped more than 400% against Ethereum. So think about this, guys. Ethereum had a wonderful bull run in 2021, but Ethereum Classic found a way to outperform it. But Ethereum Classic couldn't set a new high against Ethereum, and now it's still dumping again. You can see that Ethereum Classic has lost another 78% of its value against Ethereum. In the last 2 weeks, it has been showing signs of life, as if it's going to start pumping against Ethereum. But what I showed you guys on the Ethereum Classic Bitcoin price chart, that before the final capitulation, a lot of these altcoins will gain value against Ethereum, against Bitcoin, and to suck a lot of people in. And when you're buying all those altcoins thinking, oh, the market is back on, boom, Ethereum Classic is going to dump. And so you want to be careful with all these altcoins, Ethereum Classic included. You want the market to actually show you we're in easy mode. You can see that all the time Ethereum Classic had this pump against Ethereum, just when the market was in easy mode. That means everything in the market was pumping, Ethereum Classic and Ethereum included. Bitcoin, that's when you want to be getting into Ethereum Classic. But when the market's in the downward trend, you don't want to be getting into Ethereum Classic. Will this time be different? Only time will tell. Guys, let's take a look at the Ethereum Classic market cap chart. At the top of the bull run, Ethereum Classic market cap valuation got as high as $18.7 billion. Right now, Ethereum Classic is down bad, it's down more than 90% from the all-time high. Ethereum Classic market valuation is currently at $1.9 billion. How low can Ethereum Classic market cap go in the bear market? I can see it getting to as low as maybe 1.3 billion. Or maybe we might go to Goblin Town and go below $1 billion. And below $1 billion will not be out of the realms of possibility. If you can see Bitcoin going to around 15K, you can see Ethereum Classic probably dropping another 20-30%. And that's not favorable. That's not what a lot of people want to hear. But my best case scenario will be Ethereum Classic dropping another maybe 30% and getting to a market cap of around $1.3 billion. You might be wondering, guys, why I'm picking $1.3 billion, because that level has acted as support and resistance for Ethereum Classic in numerous times in the past. You can see right here where Ethereum Classic was struggling in the upper end of the band. This was the level where Ethereum Classic was just consolidating and bouncing off. And when we dumped, when we had that rally that took us in February 2020 before Ethereum Classic had its bottom, you can see that we got stopped out by that level, $1.3 billion. Even before Ethereum Classic started going to space, that was the level where Ethereum Classic had a little consolidation. So I believe that Ethereum Classic is going to respect that level and probably have a bounce right here, and the bounce will probably take us to a market cap of maybe 5 billion or less, and before we finally dump. I believe that a pump is coming in the market. Ethereum Classic is going to take part in that pump. Bitcoin, every coin in the market is going to take part in that pump, but that will be a fake pump. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Ethereum Classic will pump when the relief rally comes? Will there even be a relief rally, or are we just going to continue dumping in a straight line? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.